Transformations are when an image transforms from its current orientation to a different position. For example, reflection. It's just like your reflection in the mirror. If you'd like to, you can think about reflection, the FL in reflection, as flip. You can see how I've taken the boat and flipped it to the right. Translation is just taking the image and sliding it. So in this case, I have slid the translation to the right. Rotation is when the image makes a turn. If you think of the T in rotation as turn, you would say that this rocket turned or rotated clockwise. This slide shows you all the transformations: reflection, rotation, and translations. Take a look at this image of Willy Wildcat. I'm going to move him. After each move, hit the pause and tell me how I moved him. In addition to telling me if it translated, rotated, or reflected, be sure and use the directions. Did it happen to the right, to the left, up, or down? And in the case of rotation, you can say clockwise or counterclockwise. For example, in this case, what did Willy do? He slid left. Now what does Willy do? Be sure and hit pause and tell me, write down what he does. And now what does he do? Here's the last one. Tell me how he moved. Look at the list of ways that you just wrote down that he moved. What's the one that's missing? Write that down and circle it. Now get your full sheet of paper and make 4 quadrants. Draw each of the images you see. The arrow is to show you which way the transformation occurred. Be sure and write down whether it was rotation, a translation, or a reflection, and tell me the direction that it moved. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.